Next, structures. Some structures are available. That is the BCC, FCC, HCP. BCC stands for body centered cubic structure. FCC stands for face centered cubic structure. HCP for hexagonal close packed structure. So, for our exam point of view, how the BCC structure, body centered cubic structure, will be like look like, and what are the number of free electrons or the number of effective atoms present in the BCC or FCC or HCP. So this is the BCC structure. Name itself saying body centered cubic structure. Cubic means it has 8 corners. That means 8 atoms are presented at all the corners. That is 8, and each atom shared by 8 such more atoms. That means see, ఇది ఏంటంటే ఒకటే యూనిట్ సెల్, అలా ఇంకో యూనిట్ సెల్ నువ్వు కనెక్ట్ చేసావనుకోండి, ఒక్కొక్క కార్నర్ దగ్గర ఒక్కొక్క కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా. సో 8 కార్నర్స్ ఆర్ కనెక్టెడ్ బై 8 more atoms. That's why 8 into 1 by 8, and it is a BCC, stands for body centered. So at the center the body having one more atom, that is 1. So we get the 1 plus 1, that is 2. So the number of effective atoms are present in the BCC structure are 2. That is about BCC. So next, face centered cubic structure. So name itself saying face centered. So for cubic means 8 corners, 8 atoms, that is 8 into 1 by 8, like a BCC structure. And this is a face centered. That means cube has a 6 faces. So 6 into, and each face is shared by 2 more faces. సో దట్స్ వై 6 into 1/2. సి 2 క్యూబ్స్కి మనం టచ్ చేయండి, అంటే 2 ఫేసెస్ కలిపి ఒకటే ఫేస్లో ఫామ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి, అంటే ఈచ్ ఫేస్ ఈస్ షేర్డ్ బై 2 more faces. That's why 6 into 1/2 we get the 1 plus 3, that is 4. The total number of effective atoms in a FCC structure are the 4. Example for this are aluminum, copper. These are the examples. Next, coming to the hexagonal closed packed structure. Name itself saying hexagonal, and hexagonal closed, that means it has a 2 hexagonals, top one, bottom one. Hexagonal means 6 sides, that means 6 atoms at the top and bottom, that is 12 atoms, and each atom is shared by 6 more atoms. That's why 12 into 1 by 6, that is 2. And at the center it contains 1, and bottom also 1, 2, and it is shared by 2 more atoms. That's why 2 into 1/2 we get the 1, and at the middle we have a 3, like a triangle shape. That is 2 plus 1 plus 3, we get the 6 atoms. That is called hexagonal closed packed structure. The total number of effective atoms present in a HCP are 6 atoms. This is called HCP. This is the structure of a BCC, FCC, HCP. This is the entire structure. మనం ఇందులో ఒక పార్ట్ తీసుకుంటే బీసీసీ, మనం ఇంత డిస్కస్ చేసినట్టుగా వస్తుంది. సిమిలర్లీ ఎఫ్సిసి, సిమిలర్లీ హెచ్సిపి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద బాడీ సెంటర్డ్. కార్నర్స్లో 8 ఉంటాయి, బాడీలో 1 ఉంటుంది. సో 8 into 1/8, 8 into 1/8 plus 1, we get the 2. Similarly, face centered. So corners like 8 ఉంటాయి, 8 into 1/8 plus 6 faces into 1/2, we get the 4. Similarly, hexagonal ki 6, 2, 4, 6 for the total number of effective atoms per a BCC structure, FCC structure, HCP structure. This is about structures.